Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to talk about curbside deals, where you're going to hit that left hand button in blue where you're going to pick it up physically at the store. Either drive to the store, they will bring it to you, or you go to the photo department. So this is curbside only. Sorry I go through all these rules, but we have a lot of new shoppers who land on this one video. So this is what we're doing, curbside deals only. So ordering it through your cell phone or desktop computer for this magic to happen. And I would just like to take this opportunity to wish all of my very wonderful subscribers here on YouTube a very happy 4th. I hope you have a wonderful holiday and just a cute little mosaic here of my youngest cat dressed up for the holiday, and doesn't he look cute? Okay, we have curbside deal number 1. Okay, so we're going to grab one of these herbal essence. It's a mousse for $2.79. Now, this might be harder to track down because I know a lot of ladies were hitting this one really hard yesterday. If you might be so lucky, we have a only for you, so only selected accounts got this, which is a $3 off. And if you look to the right-hand side, see it says $2.79. It's attaching to that mousse. We're also going to grab one of these Aussie Total Miracle shampoos for $2.99. And if you were so lucky, both of my store accounts got this one, which is a $2 off of one Aussie product. Valid till the end of the month. At the very least, even if these products aren't in stock, load the digital coupon so you have them till the end of the month. And then the final product that we're going to grab is one of these Vapo Rubs, only the lavender one, where the $4 coupon's attaching. It was attaching to everything else before, but we're going to throw one of these in. Always a good item to have in your stockpile, and we need to load this digital coupon. All these coupons are only for you, so hopefully you have the same ones as I, but if you don't, we still have you covered with more deals. Now, just to show you all those digitals, they're melting off right there. I know there's a couple promo codes, but you have to buy like $20 after coupons and all this like weird stuff, so I could not get it to work. But all the digitals are coming off right there. And then just to show you, our subtotal was $11.77. Free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax, $8.79 in digitals coming off. So $3.69 is your new total. I would use $3 in Walgreens cash, pay 69 cents, and get some really nice products on the cheap. Okay, 1.2, because I'm too lazy to change all the curb deals or the numbers on them. So it is to grab 2 of these Scots, and it's a sanitizing wipe for $5.99. It's on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. Unfortunately, we don't have any digital coupons at this time for this product. However, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, if you might have the same one as I, it's $3 off that you can do up to 2 times, so that's $6 back on this product. We're also going to grab a bag of the Epsom salt, which is the Walgreens brand, for $1.99. Now, if you were so lucky, I think it was last week I got this coupon, which is really cool. It's $1.50 off of one of those bags, dropping it down to 49 cents. So like for a 3-pound bag of salt, yes. And just to show you again, in my basket, I have 2 of the Scott wipes, and wipes have really jumped in price. Like it's really expensive, that product. And then 1 bag of my glorious salt. If you like to bathe, you know the value in that. And just to show you, the one chintzy $1.50 digital came off. But if you have some Walgreens cash in your store account, this is where I'm going to really encourage you to spend a little bit of it. So the subtotal here is $10.97, our tax, the one digital. So the new total is $10.13. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 13 cents on your debit card. Then you're going to get $6 back from IBOTTA. So it shakes us out to $4.13 for the 3. Not too shabby. I know a lot of you don't like it when I'm like, use the Walgreens cash and this would be a free item. But looking at it that way, it's $4.13 for the 3 products. Deal number 2. Okay, so we're going to go and get some skincare products that include these makeup wipes by Garnier, the Skin Active. So we have a very generous 5 off of 2, which is valid only, well, the last couple of weeks. So hopefully you have that one loaded. I didn't load it. So we're going to grab those cheapy makeup wipes. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So at $6.99, 2 of them is $10.48. So right there, you got your basket right there. You know, it is perfection personified with the digital coupon. Just to show you, yes, it is coming off. And the product is called Garnier Skin Active. So it can't be any old Garnier wipe. It has to be those Skin Active ones. And here's why. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, and please triple check that you have the rebate back. It's $2 back for each. So for 2 of them, you will get back $4. So how great is that? Now looking at this, the subtotal is $10.48, free pickup, $5 manufacturer, $6.11. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.11 and then make that $4 submission to IBOTTA. It shakes it out to $2.11 for the 2 makeup wipes after everything is said and done. That is a super uber smart deal. All right, now we have curbside deal number 3 for the ladies that want, or the gentlemen that want a little bit of fancy skin cream. We have you covered. $10.49 for the Olay Regenerous. It is 0.5 ounce, so that is an itty bitty bottle. If you look below the product, see how it says save 10? Boom. Load this coupon, which is a 10 off of 2 for the Regenerous skincare. And yes, this product is attaching, and it's just one of their items. It's not a travel size. It's just like a 0.5 ounce because the cost to manufacture this stuff is like so expensive. This is why for a lot of this stuff, they sell it in smaller containers. Okay, so looking at this, guys, it's the subtotal is $20.98. Curbside pickup is free, our tax, and then we have a $10 manufacturer, 10 off of 2. So $12.24. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and laugh all the way to the bank and back. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, and I believe this is the final deal, is number 4. We're going to 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes. You can either grab the mouth rinse or this. It is your choice. We have a very generous 4 off of 2 digital, and then buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. Our old friend, if you might have that For You coupon, one of these Aussies with this digital coupon. I know it's a tall order. Not everybody has the same digitals. And then this friend, if you can track it down as well for $2.79. And we have our $3 digital. So how lovely is that? And just to show you the magic, the 4 off of 2, the $2 and the $2.79 digital. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so the total was $13.76, free pickup, tax, manufacturer's coming off $5.80. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash. You're getting $4 back for buying the 2 Colgates, shaking it out to $1.67 for the 3 products. Not too shabby. Okay, so I want to address something really quickly that I'm seeing in the comments a lot, where a lot of stores are saying you can only use 1 register reward per transaction. Either the manager has decided that is the decree, or the cashier isn't realizing something. And I just want to point this out in case you are making the same error. If you look at these 2 coupons, the top one's a manufacturer, the bottom one is a store coupon. See, it says store CPN. That's a store coupon or store register reward, register rewards, Catalina's, whatever you want to call it. The bottom one, you can only use 1 per transaction. So even if you're scanning 100 items, only 1 store coupon will work in your transaction. And you do not need a filler for that. The top one, if you have filler items and spaces in your line limit, yes, you can use multiples of the top one. If there is a new hire that's not sure how things go and she was told, hey, this goofy thing, you can only use 1 per because only 1 will scan, they're probably thinking it's the store coupon, not the top one, which is a manufacturer coupon or register rewards, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully this is crystal clear. Bottom one is 1 per transaction. The top one, if you have filler items and room in your line limit on your receipt, yes, you can use multiples. Hopefully this is crystal clear. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.